page number 43. Write the number names of numbers represented. Alright, let us take a look at this. The first one, there is a box of tens. So, if you count the tens, there are about 100, and in the place of tens, there is a single 10 box, and then in the place of ones, there is a 3. So, your answer will be, so all you have to do is count the box like you did in the previous class. You will get the answers. Let us do one on D, the Abacus method. So, your answer will be, let me just brush through this is ones, this is tens, let us see, and this is hundreds. So, okay, so we have to, this is the 100. Abacus, you all know, is the rod and the bead system by which we can learn the numbers a little better. So, let us take the number 264. So, 4 comes in the 1 column, 6 comes in the tens column, and 2 comes in the hundreds column. Alright, you remember that from last year? Alright, let us move on to page number 43, last exercise. Again, it is to remind you about the numbers, what comes before and what comes after. So, after 43 comes 44 and then 45. In the similar manner, fill the rest of the blanks. Page number 44, write the numerals. So, the numerals, this is 37. This is the number name. So, 37. So, take a look at those and fill in the rest of the blanks. Moving on to the symbols, greater than, lesser than, and equal to. Remember studying this? Yes. Not everything is same. All the numbers have something bigger than them or something smaller than them. Some may be equal, that is the same numbers. So, let us look at this. Exercise 6. Compare and insert the correct symbol. Number 1, 35 and 7. Which is larger than 7? 35. Let us look at the next one, 75 and 75. Yes, they are equal to each other. Let us look at one more example, 30 and 48. Which is greater, which is lesser? That is right, 48 is greater and 30 is lesser. Now, moving on to ascending orders. Small, big, big, big. Just an easy way for you to remember. Ascending order is from the small one to the big one, and then descending order we will take this big one, small, 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 small. Okay, just a simple example for you to remember. All right. The next one is easy and it reminds you of food. Yeah, color the 5th cake, circle the 7th hat. Easy, right? All right, let us move on. There are, in page number 45, you have to fill in the missing numbers, but this time they are the even numbers, then the numbers counting 3s, and then numbers counting 5s. So, let us see. So, after 4, the multiples, the even numbers are 4, 6, 8, 10, right. So you can fill in those numbers. 3 is, again you count 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So every 3 counts, you will write that number. And so is the easiest 5s. It's just easy, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, yes. So fill in. Now the last one is place value house. Did you enjoy learning place value house in class 2? Let's try and draw a place value house. Let's draw remember our house and draw, right? It's easy, right? To do place value houses, because all you need to do is remember a house. So this is room number 1, room number 2 and room number 3, okay? Or we can call this as room on the right, room in the middle and room on the left, which again you learnt. So we are going to try 2 of the examples. Like I said, we are just reviewing about what you remember. So let's take the example 45 and 213, 2 examples from your textbooks. Let's start with, okay, let's mark this. This is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds. Okay, so let's try 5, and then the 4 is in the tens. So 45. We'll learn a little more as we go ahead. Okay. Now 3, the 1 is in the tens room, and then 2 is in the hundreds room. All right. So go ahead and finish those examples.